Hello, my sweet queens. We are recreating this style today, so let's go straight into it. So this is like a fabric leftover. So let me tell you how many years I have. This is 1 yard and 20 inches. So because it's a Bubu dress, I'm going to fold it just like this. So the fabric is folded into two. Note this part is unfold and it's going to be the center back. So what I will just do, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches inward from this folded edge, 1.5, and I will roll it into a straight line. So this is what we are. So I'll take the other side like this and place this edge. I'm going to match it with the line, okay, just like this. So this one that I just placed now is going to be the front. The total width here from the folded edge to the side is exactly 15 inches. Exactly 15 inches. Can you see? So the next is just to put the neck width. The neck width I'm going to be using is 4.5. Then the neck depth is going to be 1.5. Then I'll connect it just like this. Okay, are you seeing it? Then this is into two. This one here, I will just mark my client's underbust or waist length. Anyone, just mark it and then create like a V, just like this to this point. Okay, so that's it. So I'll go ahead, I will cut this out. So I only cut out on the back neck. Then I will just cut open this edge because it's on fold. This first two, this upper part, I'll just remove it. This is the front, and then this one is the back. The back, you're not going to cut this line that you roll. No, I just roll it just to be like a guide for us. So if you open the back, this is what you have. Don't mind the paper. I'm going to remove the paper. So this is how the back looks. Then this is the front right here. So this shape, I'll just cut it off. So this is the front. So if you open up the front, this is how the front looks. Can you see? So the next thing you're going to do now is just to join front and the back together. This is the back. Then I will place the front on top of it, just like this. Just like this. Then I'll go to my sewing machine. I'll join the shoulders together. Join the shoulders, okay? So I've joined the shoulders together. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is just to grab my Asho Oke. And for this Asho Oke, we are using all right, so before I attach the Asho Oke, from here to here is 45 inches. That's the length of Ankara. If you don't want yours to be long, you can reduce it, which is what I'm going to do. You're supposed to even take the length first, but I just use, it's like I said, it's just like a remainder, like it's not really scrap, but yeah. So I'm just going to reduce the length. I'm going to reduce the length because after sewing, I want everything to be 46 inches, and here I already have 45. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'll remove part of this away, okay, so that after joining the Asho Oke to it, you can be the exact width that I want. Okay, so from here to here, yeah, this is what I want. So meaning I'm going to trim it off from this point. So you, when you mark it like that, just add your seam allowance of 1/2 inch for joining, then roll it into a straight line and then trim it off. You can as well reduce the length before you start sewing. Okay, so now I'll go back to the sewing machine and I'm going to attach this Asho Oke to this part. I'll attach this Asho Oke to the down part. Okay, so this is where the front is stopping. So I'll just use the Asho Oke to measure so that I can cut. You can make it to be longer so that you can trim off the excess later. Then the back. Like I said, you can make it maybe like 1 inch longer so that you just trim off the excess instead of it to have shortage. So attach this to the down part and also attach this to the front part. Okay, so let's do that on the machine. So the next thing is just to attach the one that is going round the side as well as the one for the neckline. Okay, so all right, so I'll just go ahead. I'll attach this to the two sides. Okay, then you are going to also place the Ankara at the center. So this is you also place the Asho Oke at the center. So just fold the Asho Oke into two like this. Then from the M line again, you are just going to stitch round the neck area, starting from this lower part all around the back neckline and then back to the other side of the front all the way down. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing that because this Asho Oke I bought 3 pieces and it's not enough. If you want to have the exact look of the original style, you'll be needing like 4 to 4.5 pieces of Asho Oke. But for mine, I used just 3 because I only had the Asho Oke at the M line as well as the sides. So the width from here to here is 2.5, 2.5. Okay, so this is what I say you're going to do because we are going to hem here. That's why I say when you're cutting, cut it in excess so that you hem it first before you start attaching it. This little piece here is what is left of my Asho Oke, so I had to slice it into two so that I can use it for the pocket tip. So after
Yes, I have
dividing it into
sliced
two, I just use
it.
part of the Ankara pieces to finish up the upper part so that the upper part will be nicely
To
done.
be nice.
Okay, so this is how I want it to be. So I just use the I just use the Ankara, as you can see right here, just to finish the upper part. Exactly what you're saying. Okay, you have to be creative.
So I attach this and this together by just placing it this way and making a stitch. I'll trim off the excess. So with the Asho Oke over there, the length is 10 inches and then the width is 9 inches. 10 by 9. The shoulder, I'm going to measure down 20 inches and that is where I'm going to place the pocket. Just like this. Then I'll pin. Just like this. So from the top, I'll just measure 17 inches downward, and from that 17 inches I'm going to close the side all the way down. You can do 18, you can do 20, depending on how you want the sleeve opening to be. Okay, so you can just work with whatever works for you. I think I'll do 20. So from the top I'll measure 20 inches downward, and from this 20 inches I'm going to sew it close all the way down. Okay, I'll just sew on this Asho Oke, so I'll make sure I align it properly, just like this. So from the top, measure 20 inches, and then from there, just sew it, just a straight line all the way down. Then you do the same thing to the second side, and that's it.
A big shout out to all my channel members. Thank you so much for supporting me on this channel. I appreciate you so much. God will continue to honor and bless you. So thank you for watching me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.